It's a new 2021 Nissan Murano. Its design makes it a conversation piece. Its interior makes it a great place to have a conversation. It comes with great features you love. Continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, smart device navigation, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory steering wheel settings, and V6 engine. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.